Comment
down, like, share.
This is what I'm going to bake banana bread, and that's banana bread that I'm going to make it with all-purpose wheat flours. That one is for fat cook, not all-purpose. It's fat cook wheat flour that I'm going to use it. And because we are a lot, I cannot make 3. I see most of the people, they're just making with 3 banana, but we are a lot here. I'll make with 4 banana and 3 eggs. That one is a cooking oil in the yellow cooking oil. It's how many minutes? Cup, 1/4 cup, and the milk and the baking powder. But I'm going to measure baking powder and the salt with this one. Is what I'm going to bake it with. So this is a fat cook wheat flours that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 2 cups. Then this is the way you are going to make it. We are going to make it like this. I'm going to use 2 cups of the fat cook wheat flours, and my 4 banana, and my 3 eggs, and my baking powder. Sorry for the noise. This is a 2nd cup of the wheat flours, fat cook wheat flours. And then you see, the wheat flour is not from the cake only. Now we know something. We start to know everything now in this world. We learn a lot of things. I think I should make another half one, because the banana are a lot. It seems like a lot. I'm going to make a half cup of it, so it can be a lot of banana bread for the whole family. Yeah. See, this is enough because I have enough milk. I don't care. I'm going to smash it with a fork. Smash it with a fork, and then I bring the other ingredients. Wet ingredient. What is that? Wet ingredients. I think so. That's why this time I don't want to embarrass myself. Not this time, not now, not this year. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to add the eggs in the banana. The eggs in the banana, in the milk, and the cooking oil, they are all going together, and then we mix. No, don't. There we go. It lasts. I hate the eggs topper. Fish topper, oh, that don't be going over. You cannot get them out. If they go in, you cannot get them out. So that's my 3 eggs. Mix them with banana and all the wet ingredients. If you want to get a nice result, you must mix them because they are wet. And the dry ingredients, you must mix them together, because here is the sugar, my brown sugar, my baking powder, and my fat cooked wheat flours, and what else? What they want. I must also add salt. Before I forget, I must add some salt inside. So this is what is going to be. And then we eat the banana bread. I think we are going to eat together, ne? With my all subscriber. We are going to eat together. I know you guys. I know you love this. You love this. I know. We are all family. We cannot leave each other's behind. Oh, this banana, they were nice rotten, and then give that colors. So this is another cooking wall. So I'm not going to add the butter. Sorry for the butter. Please, I have a cooking wall. This is what I have. I'm going to use what I have. You can also use whatever you have. Cooking wall of the butter. Three spoons of butter. Whatever. There we go. Yeah. So my wet ingredients, because my flour, it's a lot of it, and my ingredients cannot be the same like the other people's. Those are my milk. I'll make these two because otherwise I'll be why? This is our nice Nami full cream milk. Nami milk, please. Recognize this channel. Recognize the WM channel so that we can do something together. Sign some paper there. Then we do some work together. And then let's forget the milk so that we can get more customers in more different things, because some people, they don't know how the milk can also you can cook the rice with milk, and there you are going to get a lot of customers. Please, Nami Milk Manager, I know you are here. You are always with us. Can you please recognize my channel? My channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Hit the notification bell. Guys, wait. If I forget the salt, food without salt cannot taste. This is 1.5 teaspoons salt there. There we go. And I think the other things that I must also do. So these wet ingredients, now they are ready, and let me mix these dry ingredients together so that I cannot yeah, wait, I think this is all the things must go in. It must go in. It must go in. It must go in. We can eat together this banana bread. Now the time is 15:31. Here in Namibia, it's Saturday. And mugirl is busy doing here banana bread, cooking some banana bread. My neighbor, when they see I'm recording, they always, some of them they are cutting their grass, some of them they are doing their hair. You see, they hate me when they want to make you hate my channel. The time when I'm starting to bake is the time when they started to make their hair with a hair dryer, I think so. But don't pay attention to that side, because we are doing here as we are cooking. I think the milk is only that is small a bit here. I need some milk. Yeah! We're going to eat the bread. Hey, we're going to eat the banana bread. Guys, mugirl is in another level. Mugirl, no? Doing this. No. Yeah? Yeah. Mugirl is busy doing this. Doing that, and that, and that, and this, and this, and this, this. Hey, 4 banana, 2 full cup of and a half of the fake cook with flowers, and because we cannot make what is other people make. Family of 5 or family of 4, what they make here, we make a lot. We make a lot, so that everybody can get a smile on their face and eat and enjoy some snack. This one will be our snack. It will be the breakfast for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the church day. So, the one pan, the big one pan. Then I have to put also, we put some cooking oil on it because I don't have that baking papers again now today. So I'll put aside and then I'll make some of them in the cupcake. In cupcake I'm going to scrape with the spoons. I don't want to waste those cupcake that is kurira to spoil my pan. This will be a dinner. Woo! What I was hate it and then it happened. I hate that, but it's happening. Why? It's tasting nice. I don't know how it's going to taste when it's ready to be eaten now. Make some cupcake because the pan is not enough. I have only that one, the round one like for cake, but that one is also, it will be also fine for my banana breads. It's mine, most. It's not for all of us. Mine. Don't come from my pan and say, oh, Auntie Wendy, no, don't come from here. Otherwise, you can buy me one. If you want to come here, buy me one. When you come nice, come and complain nice. Bread is ready. Some people they will wonder why do I not make in a bread pan. Please, can you please sponsor me? Sponsor me that pan, please. I'm asking you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm not asking begging. Yeah, this is the banana bread. It looks like that on the downsides and bottom. Some people they will wonder why do the banana look like this. It's round because the pan that I have is mine that I have is a round one, not yet by the one that is having the bread form. So this is the bottom and the top layers, top. But this is a banana bread, and I do also so that it can be a lot. I do in the cupcake form. You see how soft it is? Soft. Yeah, it's very good for the tea now. Time is 5:22 and this will be fine for the tea for some people to come and eat with tea and we'll sleep. Saturday. This is what we do on Saturday. This is what I was doing on Saturday. I always come here and baking the bread, what. Sometimes you must buy your own ingredients from the shop and you bake your own bread and make your own snack. And then you enjoy instead of going to another people's house and stand and baking and look for the food. If you afford, do it. If you don't afford, it's understandable. Yeah, this is the bread I'm waiting so that the heat can come down and then start to serve to the family, and the family that will enjoy, I think so. So today I put the calamine on my face. I don't want anybody to see because I want the skin to recover, face skin to recover. We like to put makeup on, but today that's why you don't going to see my face here on this baking flock. It will be baking flock, I think so. On weekend I only apply the calamine. Maybe some people they know calamine. I'll apply the calamine so that I can recover the skin from the foundation and all those things that we put on the week during the week while we are going to work. And that's fine. From me to you, I say thank you for watching.